The SickKids Research Ethics Board plays an important role in keeping kids safe and ensuring the research conducted at SickKids is the best it can be. All research involving human participants, their health information, or their biological samples or tissues must be approved by the SickKids Research Ethics Board before starting. In the past, all of your documents were submitted to the Research Ethics Office in paper, and then you wait and wait. Where does all that paper go?
At SickKids, we now have our very own electronic eREB application system, known as the eREB. This system allows researchers to submit their documents electronically, follow their progress through the ethics review process, and communicate with the ethics office and other research team members online. The eREB is designed to handle all aspects of ethics approval for your studies, from initial submission to renewal to study closure.
Each study submitted by a principal investigator through the eREB system has its own My Research Workspace. This is where the core information about the study can be found, along with a library of study documents such as the protocol, consent forms, participant information letters, brochures, data collection forms, and approval letters. No more wondering about which version of a document was submitted and approved by the eREB. All approved documents are stored in the system and accessible to all members of the study team.
From within My Research Workspace, a researcher can select, complete, and submit any eREB application form they need for that study. Main applications, renewals, amendments, adverse event unanticipated problems, notes to file, and closures. You will always have the right form just a click away. Once an application form is submitted, the researcher can follow its progress through the eREB review process.
The eREB Administrative Coordinator verifies the application is complete and ready to be reviewed. The Research Ethics Coordinator screens the content of the application to compare it to a standard set of ethical and regulatory guidelines regarding human research, TCPS2. In this step, the Ethics Coordinator reviews the application and supporting materials and corresponds with the researcher to ensure the Research Ethics Board has all the details it needs to make a decision. The Ethics Coordinator and researcher can communicate during screening via comments and tasks recorded in the system. The members of the Research Ethics Board or the board chairs conduct the ethics review and approve the study to be conducted at SickKids. The Research Ethics Coordinator then works with the researcher again to follow up on any requests or changes made by the chair before issuing the study approval letter.
All along the way, the researcher can see what stage of the process the application is in and what actions are necessary to obtain approval. With the launch of the eREB, the research ethics review process at SickKids will be a much more transparent, secure, and collaborative process. And we will continue to introduce new features and make improvements over time, so our researchers can focus on finding new ways to achieve SickKids' mission of healthier children, a better world.